Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We are going to Universal for Halloween Horror Nights construction update. I know you can see it's nighttime outside right now. This is future Anthony. So, I just want to point something out real quick. Today, all of Florida, especially here in Central Florida, we were in a heat wave. The temperature that was around in our area was over 100 degrees. When I tell you guys that it was hot, it was hot. So if you're not from Florida and you're coming down here for Halloween Horror Nights, please be alert to bring water. Bring water bottles with you. Get the Freestyle cup. You get water in them. Enjoy the video, guys. Not judging for anything else. Just want to stop, look back. Kind of just enjoy this. Oh, there's a bird right there too. And knowing that we're about to head over to Universal Halloween Horror Nights construction update. And there was something really big that did happen this week. A holiday had happened here as well in the state of Florida. And this holiday was called Back to School for all the kids who do go back to school. And if you're in college as well, if you guys do good, good luck. Let's keep up, and I'll see you guys at Universal. Alright guys, so we made it here to Universal. I'm actually on the upper level right now. I needed to get a drink. Love these cups. Got an icy in it. Even though I should have gotten water. And it's kind of like the number one reason why I came upstairs first instead of heading over to studios. But we got lighting trust up here. Pointing at the Red Coconut Club. But the Dead Coconut Club Harvest. With vampire witches, and I actually like the theme of it this year. It looks really cool. I'm excited to see what they have this year. Ooh. And this year, this is only going to be available during Halloween Horror Nights nights. I think last year they had the Dead Coconut Club open year-round. This year, it's only available during Halloween Horror Night nights, which is Wednesday through Sunday, and it's open up at 4 p.m. As like inside studios, when the parks, the houses open up at 2. So just make our way down. Even before we actually headed into studios, I did make my way over to the Universal Legacy store. Just because they're working on it. They do sell Halloween merch in here. This Little Boo Happy Halloween ornament. They're new $18. The Little Boo shirt. 30. And of course, supposed to, I think this will go like 30. It's at 20 or 30, I don't know. I didn't see a price on it, but yeah. And also, a lot of Epic Universe merch for Monsters Unchained. I can tell you right now, this shirt I haven't seen yet, and I actually like the way it looks. Fast and Furious. She's done. They are doing some work, because I think part of it did have a problem with it, but it's done. And complete. And the more I look at the archways, I'm wondering how much more are we gonna see until this thing is painted white? Because we have less than 17 days until the event officially starts. Probably like 15 for employees and who's ever doing the Scream Early. Oh wow, that looks really cool. Your camera, it doesn't really do justice that well. It's like we got an old-fashioned wagon right there. But on the left-hand side, you will have Jack the Clown greeting guests into the event. And right over here on the right-hand side, this is where Dr. Oddfellow will be at. And let me just say, this looks really cool. We got lights, look like they are still working with the wiring and everything. And nothing too new with the wagon yet. Looks like they still are putting out props, because I sell plenty of stuff on the back of this as well. So I kind of stopped inside the Today Cafe, because I haven't been here before. But that right there is like one of my favorite things to really get. But if we keep moving down, we are starting to see some fall in Halloween type of food come out throughout the event. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this to anybody or not, but it is really, really hot outside. It's like 97 degrees in the real feel. The real feel feels like it's almost 115 outside. It's hot. I can tell you right now, inside the Universal Studio Store, nothing HHN yet. Passing by Minion Mayhem. Nothing really too yet over here with screens showing the houses that are back here. But from a later video that I saw somebody else do, there are fence lines up, so you guys can walk back there as they are heading to the houses. So that's really cool to know and see about that. And as we continue down, which would be the Icon Scare Zone. Oh, we have Halloween Horror Nights 35, the main entrance into the event. Unless you choose to go to those houses right there with lights. Kind of like going around all of them right here. And you got Stranger Things over here. Hellraiser. And I kind of like the way Hellraiser looks with all the chains. The box. Oh yeah, that looks sick. And also, I wound up watching Hellraiser yesterday because I didn't know a couple of them. Because I didn't know which Hellraiser was going to be exactly into the house, so I watched a couple of them. Just because I've never really seen Hellraiser before. You got Sinners, which is recently just got added. The Evil Dead Burns with the Canoriums all around. And then my boy Ozzy, which I love the way Ozzy's look, and I want to get a good... They added bats. They added bats. Oh, that's sick. So I will say this, the glare is bad right now, I know it is, but I am sitting right next to the Ozzy Osbourne one because Ozzy is the one house that I am looking forward to doing the most. I have a buddy out in North Carolina where I feel like he wants to come down just to do this house because we love heavy metal. I've been to Metallica a couple times with him. I've been to a whole bunch of concerts. My lightning tattoo Pierre, I'm looking forward to that house the most. I have a hype list house. I will do it. You will see me and hear Ozzy's number one. By the way, in case you guys don't know, the new turf is coming along nicely, and it does look like the walls are being pushed back. So this should be ready here in a couple of days. Off to downtown Clowntown. Before we head up downtown Clowntown, we're gonna go check out the food booths. Even though I don't really see menus yet, I do expect maybe we can get something here in just the next couple days for the menus. Creepy Connections is still open. I do think this might be the permanent HHN bar because I do see the lights now over here as well. Yeah, and again, there's like no menus on any of them. But I did hear a very popular treat, which was the that massive cheese stick. It is coming back. That's what I do know that is happening. So, just looking a lot more like art is gonna be here. Yep. Oh yeah. Santa, this is from the third movie. I like it. I like it. I can't wait to see what we do with this. Looks really cool. In fact, those people over there, they were like, wait, why is there Christmas decorations out? And it's like, because art is coming to town. Art Miss is coming to town. And to Hollywood, they're getting the Terror Tram. And they're also getting a song from Ice Nine Kills, which I'm an Ice Nine Kills fan as well. You got a van right here as the Blues Brothers is going on right now. It's a helmet in there. Okay, so let's just keep moving forward. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. Art will give you. I found hashtag. It's just showing us right over there.
Where you going?
And also, you see those beautiful, beautiful clouds? Those blue skies that we have here in Florida? Yeah, that looks beautiful. Did they sit there and say thunderstorms were going to be in the area? They didn't say what time though. So to everybody who hasn't clicked off the video yet, yeah, they did sit there and say there was thunderstorms in the area. They didn't say what time it was going to happen at. So that's the best thing about Florida. You just never know. Want to point out as well, it looks like these food booths are starting to get powered up with electricity as well. It looks like they added a speaker to this frame right here. Looks like barricades have been replaced back over here. I guess guests are sitting on the props, sitting on the stage. They don't want guests to do that. I can see why now. Ticket booth still here. Universal what? That is fucking cool. I mean, I know they did statues last year, but this time around, it actually looks like it's part of one of the old Williams statues that was down over there, but now it looks like it's down with the Jack. And again, it looks like from Killer Clowns from right here. Then I'm gonna guess it might be for Art the Clown. Who knows what Jack's gonna be doing over here in the Clown Town zone? Wait, he knows the secret? It does say here's the secret. Subscribe today. Leave a like. Secret just said subscribe here today and leave a like. Because that's fucking cool. Ooh, hold on, I'm trying to get a thumbnail real quick.
You guys are in charge from here on out, alright? Don't retrograde.
There goes the Blues Brothers. Let's continue with this update. Oh, they added balloons. And none of them pop with this heat that we're getting, this humidity. It's horrible. Oh, they also added Christmas lights, or lights right above us now too. I am looking forward to, Downtown Clowntown is like my number one scare zone that I'm looking forward to the most. And midway of the Bazaar, which another YouTuber that I do know pretty well, by the name of Losh TV, I don't know if you guys know him. Apparently this used to be over by Jaws. And that's why we have a little Jaws right there as well. So let's keep on moving. Looks like someone left some popcorn behind. Yeah, they got balloons on a lot of these places now. Looking cool. Oh! They moved the wagon over here. Oh, and it's Dr. Oddfellow's grant. Oh, it's Dr. Oddfellow. So Dr. Oddfellow might be in his zone as well. And a white tent right here. Come this way. Yeah, Dr. Oddfellow. Pretty cool. And we also got some more props. The last time we were here, people were sitting on it and I couldn't really show it up that well. This time, well, I can show it up pretty well enough. And it looks like they have added stuff onto it. So people don't sit on it anymore, but it is what it is. Oh, and I see something down here. And we haven't had anything down here, parked-wise, for a very long time. I don't really know if anybody really comes down here that much, but yeah, here it is. I see a lot of circles and up down here. And that storm's coming in pretty fast. So I am also wondering if Universal's going to have anything else be put out here. Because again, they haven't had props out here, I think, since Halloween Horror Nights 26, 27, I don't remember. I need to keep moving now because they are doing the dance party right now, and that music sucks as it's copyright striked. We are passing by Louis. I'll be real with you, I don't think we're getting Fazzy Bear this year. Go to that real quick. Yeah, it would be cool if we would get Fazzy's Fast Bear Pizzeria back in here this year, but those Five Nights that are coming this year, I don't think we're getting it. But in other words, if you're from New Jersey, over at Dream of America, they actually are making a Fazzy Bear Pizzeria over there. So that's something we're going to save up for and go do. And I'm going to do it. My final ride on Fast and Furious before it closes. We're at the Film Vulture. They are selling the Halloween Horror Nights house shirts. Let's head inside and see if there is selling anything else. And yeah, I see Hellraiser stuff right off the bat. The Deviled Ears, which the girls like a lot. I see Sinners right here. And first time seeing this new Hellraiser shirt. I actually like the way this new shirt looks. I dig it for $30. Yeah. I like the way it looks. I got a buddy who's a big Hellraiser fan. I'm going to show this to him. And I do see plenty of Chucky stuff that they have year round. Plenty of Jaw stuff. More Sinners right over here. The hoodie house shirt. More Hellraiser stuff. But nothing for Ozzy. So right now my phone is telling me that it's about 100 degrees outside. So my phone's kind of like overheating a little bit. I didn't realize that we were also in a heat advisory as well, so I am giving myself a minute to cool off. It's August is one of the most worst times of the year to deal with the heat here in Florida. It sucks. Hopefully this comes in very soon. Heading inside of the candy shop, and today from that side they're still doing Jawsome Summer. For here, nothing has been switched over for Halloween yet over in here, but it'll probably take like one night to switch everything around, so I'm not really waiting. Although the sweets, they look really good. Awesome. It's getting a little more darker over here with this storm, so hopefully this storm comes, cools off, and then make the day a little better. I'm doubting it though. As we are entering Club Horror, we do have a new prop out here, but it's not a prop. There's the Club Horror. We now have a bar here. Glad to see this is here. I did like the bus that they had last year, but that's now over in next to Fear Factor. I would still like to see maybe an icon be in this scare zone. I know last year they had art walking around a lot. I do think somewhere we will see Little Boo over here. And I also think we could see the Pumpkin Lord over here as well. Orange Grinch. Chill out in the cool zone. You're welcome. Oh. I'm cool. And now I'm no longer cool, but it felt great. And I can't wait for those to be in the house keys. Oh wow. Meats. Has everything up, ready to go. And then the 5 watts WSQK watts. The Stranger Things food booth. This here is ready to go. Let's keep on going. Every time I'm walking over here, I always get the song. And now we do know that the Feel Girls are here and also getting ready for the new show, Halloween Nightmare Fuel. Really excited for this show. Every show that they've had, it's been really good. I did ask my friend if he thinks that the Nightmare Queen's gonna be back. I'm just unsure, and I don't think he really kind of gave me an answer about it, but she's at SeaWorld at the moment. Also, if you want to grab a drink before the show, we got a bar right here and right over there. But more than less, you can get a beer after the show as well. And Universal just knows how to make that money back. And then Ed Schmidt Draft Wagon, or Egger, or Schmidt, I don't know what Eddie's real name is. So they are working on it, and pretty soon. Okay, wait. And then again, nothing yet for showtimes, and no TVs on here yet. But again, we still got 17 days. Men in Black is showing 15 minutes, but there's a light right there pointing at the wall right there that should say Halloween Horror Nights, or HHN 35. The alien facade is coming along nicely. It looks really cool, clean. I like it. I don't know what the Sinners one looks like, but yeah, it looks nice. Again, everybody's kind of like back in school. Yeah, you have this queuing right here. They're getting ready for Horror Nights. The queuing's coming along nicely. There's the storm rolling in. He will always be sad. He will always be sad because he knows in 17 days Horror Nights is gonna be here. And he's just looking forward to Christmas. And for that I say, there's Art the Clown. And it looks like things have already been stolen from Simpsons Land. But not the cop car yet. And before we enter even Fortnite, I can tell you right now, still no Battle Bus. I'm kind of confused what this is going to be like. Nothing yet. Also, there's an actual storm coming too, so trying to really make this a little more faster here. But let's head into Fort Nightmares. See what we can see. And so far, just about nothing. Looks like a protection right here. Probably gonna act about like a storm. That broom has seen better days. It has seen better days. I play Fort Nightmares, and I know what the brooms look like. They're not supposed to look like that, but I'm sure Universal will get that fixed sooner rather than later. And we're starting to get stuff going across here now. Trees are getting the lights up pretty fast. That's only why there's a line right there. I thought it was a Fortnite character, but it's not. Yeah. I figured they'd have more of the props out for here, but they don't. Just about nothing. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wait. I'm really hard about not showing things up. You got this right here. And you have another piece right here as well for Fort Nightmares. Now, I will tell you this. I do know that there's a chainsaw. It's one of the things that you can have on for transportation wise. And I don't see it. I don't know why I don't see it. I just don't see it. And the only thing that I can think of is that somebody broke it. And I could be real. That's probably what happened to the broom right here. Somebody probably broke it. So hopefully they get it back up here soon, or they're probably going to wait for opening night to restore it. There you go. Center Street Park here. Also, the horse for the Odyssey movie has been taken down as well. What great news. Sad news, but yep, it happened. And that's covered up for some reason. And then also the Stranger Things show, nothing really too new over here at Central Park. Storm is coming in pretty fast. Okay, the sun's gone. These clouds are kind of hiding it, which I like. We're gonna see. I don't see anything new with the zombies for the Mel's dying. I still think that and everything here looks to be absolutely fine. Nothing too new or crazy. Here we go. Our zone. We looked at a lot of these last time, so these aren't using any new ones. So far, I don't see nothing too new. Maybe the icons are still in the same spot. They are, because they're stored Cowler. We're going to episode 5 and down real quick. All the new art merchandise, because we are getting Santa art this year. $15. Then we have a mystery phone buddy art. I dropped it. There you go. $20. The art headband. We have a big art bag right down there, which this has to be like $50 or $65. Then, Ozzy merch. So there is more of the Ozzy merch that's now available that we didn't see from day one. So outside of that shirt and the Lounge Watch, this I think it's like a. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Like a towel, like a flag or something for Ozzy Osbourne. Do you have that for sale right here? I'm trying to see if there's a price. I don't see one. Let me guess, $20. You have this tie-dye Ozzy shirt, which works really well enough. I do like the way it looks. It looks sick. And this will run you $35. Then again, the Prince of Darkness. And then you have like a hoodie, t-shirt with the bats, and that as well. And then see the Hellraiser stuff last time. The freestyle cups are the same. This jacket and outfit shirt that I really want still here. I need to get another drink here soon. Some socks. Y'all want some socks. And then also some new stuff over here, like this Dracula bag. Looks really cool. Is it a bag? I don't know. It's an oversized bag chain. Okay. Everybody likes Dracula. A friendly Dracula. Kind of cool stuff right here. I don't really see nothing really too else new here. Ooh, the sun came out though. They're going to the ice cream spot. Grab me a quick refill and more Halloween Horror Nights workers coming along right here. I guess they're going to be in charge of this scare zone. But I want to get my cup refilled up. Then we'll take a quick look around here. For some reason, this bench is important. And I don't really see nothing too new coming along in this scare zone. I really don't see nothing new at all whatsoever. Maybe the winds are picking up from the storm, but Fred's still here. He survived another night. And I'm still thinking that this guy in October is Jack. And it looks like maybe some dirt has been added to the 35 here. And maybe this is new as well. Field grills are right here. And just like that, the day is over. It was a really, really good day. It was a great day. I have no more feeling in my body. The heat really got to me. And knowing that we were in a heat wave, it was at one point in time over 100 degrees. The heat's killer. And I want to thank you guys so much for enjoying this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.